Hope you find and enjoy lockdown period. Myself, KD Borse sir, biology teacher, Kamala Nehru Kanya Junior College, Nandurbar. We are going to start 12 science biology subject syllabus for chapter known as reproduction in lower and higher plants. In last lecture we have seen some concept like reproduction, asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. Now today learn some content concept like sexual reproduction, general events of sexual reproduction, plant sexual reproduction, structure of typical flower, sequential events of sexual reproduction. The first concept is known as sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is one of the reproduction process in which new individual produced by involve the formation and fusion of gametes called as sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, formation and fusion of gametes processes takes place. Asexual reproduction do not formation and fusion of gametes. In sexual reproduction, produced individual is genetically not identical because genetic recombination of both gametes processes takes place. So some general events of sexual reproductions are: first one is gametogenesis, means formation of gametes. Male structure produce male gamete, female structure produce female gametes. Formation of gametes are called as gametogenesis, is the first event. Second one is chances of formation gamete transportation for united thems. Both male and female gamete fuse to form zygote, fertilization event. Zygote formation is one of the event. Zygote undergoes mitotic division to form embryo, that is formation of embryo is one of the event. Embryonic development is one of the event and produce new young ones or offsprings. All these are general events of sexual reproduction. Such events is not shown in asexual reproduction. We have seen in last lecture. Plant reproduction consists of some point, like in plant the end of vegetative or juvenile phase marks beginning of the reproductive phase. In higher plant, flowering indicate beginning of reproductive phase. As per angiospermic plant, flower is reproductive organ. Sexual reproduction takes place in the flower. What is main function of flower? Flower produce gametes. Flower help ensure process of fertilization. Process of sexual reproduction takes place in angiospermic plant consists of angiospermic plant concern. Flower is reproductive organ, no doubt. So we will study structure of typical flower. Typical flower consists of two main parts, thalamus and floral whorls. This is hibiscus flower, and in the hibiscus flower this part is known as thalamus. Other than thalamus, all these are parts are floral parts. Thalamus is continuous pedicle. Thalamus produce floral parts. Floral parts consist of calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. This one is sepals. All sepals are called them calyx. This one petals. All petals are called them corolla. These are the stamens, are arranged on staminal tube. All these stamens are commonly called as androecium, that is male reproductive structure. Stigma, style, and here ovary are the carpel parts. Carpel is gynoecium. Androecium and gynoecium are reproductive organs, essential reproductive organs, because they are directly involved in sexual reproduction. Calyx, corolla are non-essential because they cannot involve in sexual reproduction but help in sexual reproduction. Now, typical flower consists of 4 different floral whorls like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx, individual member known as sepals. They are generally green in color. For photosynthesis, provide nourishment or food material to the flower. These are the petals. Individual member of corolla. They are bright color, attract insect for pollination. Calyx and corolla are non-essential floral whorls. They help reproduction. Androecium and gynoecium are essential floral whorls. Androecium male reproductive part, gynoecium female reproductive part. Bisexual flower have both present male flower part and female flower part. Androecium consists of stamens, are the individual members. Each stamen consists of anther, and filaments are the part of stamens. Here 5 stamens seen in hibiscus flower. Each stamens have upper anther part and stalk known as filament. All these stamens are called as androecium. Androecium stamen, anther contain pollen grains, produce male gamete. That is main function of androecium or male reproductive part, produce male gamete. Gynoecium is female reproductive part. Its individual member known as carpel. Carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary, present number of ovules. Each ovule produce female gamete known as female gametes. So androecium and gynoecium are the essential floral parts. Typical flower consists of calyx, corolla and androecium. Angiospermic sexual reproduction involve 2 events. First one is meiosis and second one is fusion of gametes to form haploid zygote. During meiosis, diploid male reproductive structure produce haploid microspores or pollen grains. In male and female reproductive structure produce male gamete, male structure produce male gamete, female structure produce female gamete. Both gamete produce fusion to form zygote during the process of fertilization. Means gametogenesis and fertilization are the two most important events shown in sexual reproduction. Sequential events of sexual reproduction consist of three distinct stages: pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. All three stages completed in sexual reproduction in the plant. In pre-fertilization include events like this one is bisexual flower, contain androecium male reproductive structure and gynoecium is female reproductive structure. Individual member of androecium known as stamen. Here anther is the part of stamen and filament is the part of stamen. Inside the anther contain MMC, microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis to produce haploid microspore or pollen grains. Pollen grains undergoes mitosis to form two-celled structure. Such two-celled structure transfer from anther to stigma, that is pollination process takes place. These events are included in pre-pollination stage of male reproductive parts. At the same time, female reproductive structure known as gynoecium consists of carpel divided into three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary contain ovules, contain megaspore mother cell undergoes process of meiosis, reduction division to produce 4 haploid megaspores. 4 haploid megaspores, only one is functional, 3 degenerate. Functional megaspore undergoes some mitotic division to form female reproductive structure known as female gametophyte. 7-celled 8 nucleated stage known as embryo sac. Such embryo sac is also called as female gametophyte. These events takes place in female reproductive structure is also pre-pollination stage or events. In fertilization, male and female gametes fuse to form zygote is general event, but in angiosperm show double fertilization. Means male gametophyte contain 2 male gametes, both are utilized to fertilization. During the fertilization, for double fertilization, first male gamete fuse to form egg cell present in the embryo sac to form zygote. Zygote undergoes some processes takes place to form embryo in post fertilization. Same time, second male gamete fuse to form secondary nucleus of embryo sac to form endosperm. This structure is post fertilization, that is, formation of the embryo and formation of endosperm are post fertilization structure. Endosperm formation, embryo formation are converted into seed, that is the events of post fertilization. Means general idea, sequential events of reproduction consist of pre-fertilization, male reproductive structure, female reproductive structure, fertilization, union of male and female gamete, and post fertilization, development of embryo and endosperm to form seed. All these events include in sexual reproduction. Some noted here: significance of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is characterized by formation and fusion of male and female gamete, is one of the most important characteristic feature. During sexual reproduction, produce offspring genetically dissimilar. Sometime question: why in sexual reproduction genetically dissimilar offspring produce? Because in sexual reproduction, formation and fusion of gametes are most characteristic feature. During the fusion of male and female gamete to form zygote, genetic recombination processes takes place, so genetically dissimilar offspring produce. We have studied in last lecture asexual reproduction produce offspring genetically identical to their parents. Here genetically dissimilar offspring shows. Sexual reproduction induce variation. Variation is useful for survival and evolution of the species. All these are significance of sexual reproduction. Some exercises, questions on the basis of today's learn topic. Here, structure of flower labeled diagram. This one is sepal, calyx. All these are petals, corolla. This point is located filament and anther, the stamens part. This one is stigma, style, ovary, and these are ovules. Also some questions on the basis of today's learn topics, like explain the term sexual reproduction, enlist different worlds of typical flower, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are different worlds of typical flower. Name the male and female reproductive structure of flower. Androecium is male reproductive structure and gynoecium is female reproductive structure. What is the main function of flower? Production of haploid gametes and help ensure process of fertilization. Which one is main characteristic of sexual reproduction? Formation and fusions of gametes are main characteristic feature. Why sexual reproduction produce dissimilar genetic offspring? Because during sexual reproduction genetic recombination processes takes place. Now here complete the today's lecture. If you have like video, then you can subscribe my channel, tap bell icon and like the video. And also you have any doubt about today's lecture, then you can mention in the comments section. Thank you.